Hello everyone! In this short video, I will show you how to apply a lightning effect to your video in the CapCut program. So we go to the effects section and type lightning in English in the search bar. Press now enter. So all the effects related to lightning open up before us. Let's say I like this one. I select it with the left mouse button and drag it to next to our video. Next, don't forget to extend it. So let's watch. Wow. Let's zoom in. Oh wow, we have achieved the lightning effect on our video. This effect can also be replaced with another one. Drag this type of lightning. So the lightning changed its direction. Also, the type of lightning can be, let's say, this third one. Wow, this is very ominous indeed. As you can see, everything is done very simply. I would be very happy if you support my channel with the like button. All the best.